This looks like a drawing, but it's not. If you can follow squares, you can make this. Let's build it. To set this up in Procreate, click on the plus in the top right corner, and you're going to make a custom canvas. And we're just going to type in 32 by 32 pixels. This is going to be a very, very tiny canvas. And then if you want to set up your grids, hit the wrench, go to drawing guide and turn that on. Edit your drawing guide. And we want our grid size to be 1 pixel. And that's how I set it up. I used a monoline brush and I've made it as low as it possibly could go. That way when I just tap, it'll fill in blocks. And that's all there is to it. If you're doing this on grid paper, it's basically the same thing. Just count out 32 by 32 grids and you're ready to go. Start with the outline and just follow the grid 1 square at a time. You don't need drawing skills here. This is just placement. Focus on getting the shape first, and don't worry about the details yet. So you notice sometimes I get these little ghosting shapes here when you touch on the squares, so I usually just delete those. So we've got the head outline. I'm going to start working on the body now. Keep everything centered. Pixel art works best when it's symmetrical. So the bow looks a little complicated, but it's just simple shapes. Okay, so now we have our body. From here on, it's just filling in the blocks. If you want the exact grid, it's linked below. And that's it. Once the blocks are in place, it all comes together. And once you look at it in a smaller size, the pixels seem to disappear. Now watch this. So there Kitty's blinking. There's Happy Kitty. And Winking Kitty. This same grid works for game sprites too. Once you understand, you can make your own characters. If you want the exact template, it's free below. Next, I'll make Kuromi using the same method.